I hate you, I don't think about you, and it's been forever since you've crossed my mind. I don't drink my coffee, wish you were beside me. Don't sleep in your t-shirt at night. Don't wonder if it's your name, your picture on my screen, lighting up my phone. No, it don't hurt, I much prefer being alone. Everybody knows I'm a liar. I can't help myself. I'ma look me in the eyes with a smile, bold-faced liar. I'm trying to trick my heart into thinking it's alright, yeah. And I don't really care if everybody knows I'm a liar. I know I'm not trying to fool anybody but me, myself and I. But if it makes me feel better, then what the hell, I'm wearing my poker face tonight. Gonna stand in the mirror, make me a believer. I don't give a damn about you. If I say it enough, then maybe it'll come true. Everybody knows I'm a liar. I can't help myself. I'ma look me in the eyes with a smile, bold-faced liar. I'm trying to trick my heart into thinking it's alright, yeah. And I don't really care if everybody knows I'm a liar. Do what I gotta do, what I gotta do. I'm a liar. When it comes to you, when it comes to you.